everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing my April favorites with you guys. I actually don't have any unfavorites for this month, and I thought I didn't have any favorites, but that is something that happens a lot, and then it's like the last week of the month and I'm like, better get together my favorites. I don't have any. I didn't like anything special this month, and then I really start thinking about it, and then the list gets too long and then I have to cut from it and whatever. I have a bunch of favorites to share with you. I hope you guys had an awesome month. I had a pretty good one. Things are looking up for me if you've been following my vlog channel. Things have been a bit of a struggle, but a lot of wedding planning is happening. I'm feeling good. We're getting closer. I can't wait. It feels real. Is anyone else like halfway through the wedding planning process and then suddenly it's getting real to you? Is this just something in my brain that doesn't work properly where I can't visualize something until it's actually happening to me? Anyway, it's getting real and I'm excited about it. Enough about me, more about favorites. I have to get my list. Okay, first on my list, I have these Soap & Glory. Whoa! Really? Double-sided lip pencil, lip color crayons, whatever you call them. They are called Poutstanding Lip Contouring Crayon. And I got mine at Walgreens. I looked up the price. At Target, they're like $10. So pretty affordable. You can find them at the drugstore. I always love that. I got the red color, which is what is on my lips right now. The proper name is Cherry Up. And then I got a more neutral mauve-y everyday color. It's pretty much what I've been wearing on my lips all month long, or for weeks and weeks. I don't even know how long I've had this, but I am loving it. You've seen it on my lips a million times, even if you didn't know it. And the actual name is Rhubarella, like Barbarella, but rhubarb. I'm so paranoid about getting this red lipstick on my teeth. This is not like a long wearing lip color. It doesn't stick on your lips. It can definitely get on your teeth. It definitely will kiss off, but I really like it. I have been loving these lip colors, and the reason why I always gravitate to this kind of setup is it's just so convenient. I like having the lip color and the lip pencil all in the same thing, like one thing in your bag and you're good. It just makes life less of a headache, and I like that. I look for that. And these are also affordable, so that's very, very nice. These two colors are awesome. I haven't tried any of the other ones, but I'm tempted. I think I'm gonna go back to Walgreens and get more because these are just such a joy. Oh wait, I am not done talking about this. These are a little bit deceiving, and I have to tell you the truth about the truth. It says they are contouring crayons, but in my experience with these two colors, the lip pencil is not any darker than the lip color, which usually whenever you have a contouring set, that's how it goes, because you kind of like ombre it. You know what I'm talking about. But these are kind of just the same color. Like if you look at my lips here, it doesn't really look like a contour. At first I was like, why? Why do you lie to me this way? But then I was like, whatever, it looks really nice. It doesn't really matter that it's not a contouring thing. So I decided to tell you the truth about the truth. My next favorite is a new concealer from Milk Makeup. It's called the Flex Concealer. They actually sent these to me. To be honest with you, I would not normally actually buy a complexion, skin, foundation-y kind of product from Milk Makeup because they seem to go more of the way of like natural, like you already have to have perfect skin, like kind of the Glossier vibe of like, you know, spritz this on your face, and if you had anything you needed to cover, well, everyone's still gonna be able to see this, but you did something. I don't know. I'm not into the skin tint thing very much, and so I just haven't ever gravitated to this kind of thing from Milk Makeup. But it looks like I was wrong. Don't we all love to admit that? This new concealer is really, really good. They claim that it's full coverage. It's not exactly full coverage, but it's enough coverage for me to feel really good. I have dark circles, I have redness around my nose. Here and there I'll get a spot. I have just random redness that pops up. I've got veiny veins all over the place that sometimes I want to cover up. And I have been pleased with just wearing this concealer and powder on top. It doesn't get cakey, it doesn't get greasy, it doesn't gather up in my lines. It's a nice coverage. I like both of these colors. This one is light and this one is light medium. When I'm feeling really, really, really pale, I'll go for this one. It's more of a yellow undertone, which isn't exactly me. This one's more of a peachy undertone. She just busted out of nowhere. Okay, there was that unauthorized truck on the street. When she grows up, she's gonna be a police officer. No unauthorized vehicles on the street. And the light medium has more of a peachy undertone, which is better for me. I think I'm more of a neutral, but peachy is nice for these under eyes that are very zombie-like. Basically, these just made me more excited about Milk Makeup and their potential of like actually covering things on your face, which I was wrong. I can admit I was wrong. I made assumptions. This concealer is really nice. And also, not to bring up Glossier again, I'm sure they hate the comparison, but Glossier's Stretch Concealer, which came out I think years ago at this point, Flex concealer, stretch concealer. I'm sure I'm not the first one to make this connection, but it's weird, right? Whatever, doesn't matter because this one's better. Seriously, it's the day of me dropping things. Why? And they are like feather light tiny pencils. Ooh, can't keep it all in my hands. Okay, next up, also from the drugstore, I have these new CoverGirl Ultrafine Brow Pencils, and I have two different colors. I did that huge CoverGirl unboxing, trying all of their new makeup for 2018, get ready with me, first impression kind of video. That was crazy, that was a lot, but the standout favorite from that whole video has to be this brow pencil. During the video, it was my first time, okay? It was my first time, and I was like, you know what? This definitely really works, but it's not like revolutionary. It's not like changing the game in brows, but I just hadn't grasped how amazing it really was. Because after I did that video, I just kept on using it every single day until it completely ran out. And I was using the color Honey Brown, which I thought was really amazing for me. But since this one ran out, I went to Soft Blonde, and that's what I have on my brows right now, all by itself. And I actually think it works a lot better for me, which is like such a tragic moment whenever you've used a whole product up and then you use a different color and you're like, oh wait, this is what I should have been using. I just want to take back the whole last month. But correct color or not, I love this pencil. I love that it's available at the drugstore. It's so easy to use. I usually don't absolutely love the micro fine, super delicate, precise, must have a surgeon steady hand brow pencils, just because I don't want to take 800 years doing 900 individual brow hairs. That doesn't work for me. I don't like that. But this one is so easy to use. It's like it's a larger brow pencil. It's just wonderful. It's so easy to use. I feel like my brows look pretty good. I know that I've been here and there with brows. My brows are weird and fluffy and hard to work with, but I really, really, really like this. I think this is my current favorite drugstore brow product. I've had a bunch over the years, but right now, this is definitely it. All right, next up, I have a hair product. This is the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray, and I think this is like a cult favorite. But the first time I ever used it was, I don't know, about 2 months ago, and I got like a little baby travel size because I've heard about it for a really long time, and I've always wanted to try it, but it's extremely expensive, and I just feel like an idiot spending that kind of money on a hairspray, kind of. Not even a hairspray. I don't know when I'll get over spending that kind of money on a hair product. I'm definitely still not over it, but I did take the plunge and I'm not regretting it. Do you see this hair? I've got so much volume, and my hair naturally is like slick straight to my head, has zero volume, zero life on its own, but this spray gives it life. If you have limp, fine, upsetting hair like me, this helps so much. And since I've been doing this like almost middle part thing, which by the way, thank you guys so much for sticking with me through the struggle, through my like mental anguish trying to switch to this kind of part. I've been a deep side part girl for, I don't know, my whole life, I think. And it's been a difficult transition, but I'm finally getting used to it. I feel like this is a good change. This is a change I needed. I didn't want to like drastically cut my hair or dye my hair before the wedding, but I was really, really needing a change, and I cannot stand having completely flat hair when it's with this part situation. It's just upsetting to me. And so this has become like an integral part of my hair routine. I've also gone back to teasing a bit, but this has helped so much. I have heard that there are dupes for a lower price point, like the Kristen S, which I haven't tried that, but I definitely want to. I'm gonna try it once I'm done with this, because I just had to treat myself after I had that little tiny bottle and I was like trying to ration it. We don't have to get into it. I ordered it on Amazon. I do not regret it, and I don't think you would either. Oh, I totally forgot to mention this at the beginning. I should have. I'm including a giveaway, but that's gonna be in a second. I have more favorites. All right, next up, this is something I always dreamed to exist, but for some reason never actually Googled it. Never was like, oh yeah, that maybe does exist. Maybe I can buy that. This is the Amika Signature Room Fragrance. So you guys know I love Amika products. The Nourishing Hair Mask is like revolutionary in my life. My hair is a broom and it transforms it. It's amazing and it smells so good. I've talked about it a million times on my channel. I won't go back into it, but every time I talk about it, I talk about how amazing it smells and how I would love to wear the fragrance. Well, turns out it exists. How crazy. This is actually the room fragrance. I found it on Amazon also. ago. This is 3.4 ounces and you get it for, I think, $28. There is an actual hair fragrance spray and you can get like 1 ounce for like, I think $30. So I was like, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna get the home fragrance and spray it on my body. I'm sure that's not what they would recommend at all, but I'm assuming it smells the same. This smells exactly like the conditioner and I love it. I love it so much. I did for half a second think like, oh, well, maybe this isn't like safe to put on your skin. And I looked at the ingredients of both of them and this one definitely does have far more ingredients as far as I remember right now. And maybe that's a bad thing. Maybe I'm just spraying toxic room fumes on my body, but I like try to aim for my clothes, not directly on my skin. That probably doesn't even matter. I shouldn't even say that because it makes me sound like an idiot, but it smells so good. I cannot resist it. The other bottle is also way, way, way cuter, but it's so good. All I wanted was the fragrance. I am so about this. If you love the Amika scent, and you should, you need this. Okay, next up, a nail color. And it's something a little bit different for me. Finally, I'm out of my like pastel and white nail box. I feel like I've been in that zone for a really, really long time and I have not changed my taste. Like I still will probably go back to that because I really, really like it. I feel like it goes with everything, but I don't know what got into me. A couple of weeks ago, I just wanted red nails and this is Essie's Rock the Runway and I've been wearing it on my nails ever since and I've been loving it. I don't know what happened, but red nails, it's what I need in my life. It's been spring. I feel like I need summer really badly and this just makes me so, so, so happy. I want red a lot. Red generally makes me happy and just having it on my nails with everything that I wear, I just like seeing it when I'm doing things in the world, looking at my paws. It's just nice. And this is a really good shade of red. It's just exactly what you think of whenever you think of red. It's not dark. It's not orange. It's just really nice. It just says spring, summer to me. And you guys know I love the Essie Gel Couture line. I feel like it stays on longer than the regular Essies or even just regular polish. It's at the drugstore. I love this color. If you've been wondering what I've been wearing, this is it. Okay, and my last favorite is the thing that comes with a giveaway. It is a couple of pieces of Miranda Frye jewelry. They reached out to me not too long ago and I've seen so many people on Instagram wearing the jewelry and I've always really liked it. I like really kind of minimal, wear everyday kind of jewelry. You guys see, sometimes I wear the same jewelry for months on end and lately I've been switching it up. I've been wearing like hoops and more statement earrings and stuff, but that isn't me every day. I will a lot of times wear them for videos, but on the daily, I just want to wear something that goes with everything. And I have been loving the jewelry I got from Miranda Frye. First, I have these earrings. These are the Luna studs and they're just gold stars. I think they also come in silver and I think these are only $30. So they're super affordable. They're just really cute. You guys know how I feel about stars and obviously they're called the Luna stud. I had to do it. I had to have these and I feel like they go with everything. I just would like to add stars to all of my outfits and with these, that's exactly what I can do. And my other favorite is this choker. It's the Stephanie necklace. And this one just has a little piece of sparkle, so it adds something a little bit more special. I wore it for my engagement shoot that I did a while back. I don't know if you saw the pictures. I put some on Instagram. I'm gonna put more. I've been holding myself back because I don't wanna like drown you guys in them. I know it can be a lot if you're not really looking for that kind of content, so, but they are really cute. I have to say that. I did wear this necklace for that shoot and I've pretty much been wearing it every day since I got it as well. So for the giveaway, you're gonna get this necklace, the Stephanie necklace and the Luna studs because they're my favorite. They also gave me a promo code so you can get 10% off and it's just LeighAnn. And I think you also get free shipping in the US. I'll put all the details in the description down below. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is follow me on Instagram, Miranda Frye on Instagram, and subscribe to my channel. Why not? I just thought it was so sweet for them to offer to hold a giveaway for my followers. I think you guys would like it because you guys are always asking about my jewelry. Hopefully you guys love these pieces as much as I do. Oh, and the giveaway is going to be open for about a week. All right, so my magic moment for the month. This was kind of tricky for me because I feel like I had a really good month. I'm officially off the pill. I made a whole vlog about that if you don't know. I am feeling a lot better. I'm feeling a lot clearer. I mean, I don't know if it's like a placebo thing, but I've been feeling better. Grant literally said, "You seem like a different person," which feels like a compliment and also not a compliment, but I know it's coming from a good place, and he knows that's also what I want to hear. He wants to hear that there's improvement and I seem happier and not so stressed out and everything. This is not what I was trying to talk about. What I meant was I had so many good times in April. So a couple of magic moments. The engagement shoot that I did a couple of weeks ago with Leigh, I made a whole vlog about it. I can link that down below. I already kind of talked about it a little bit in this video. And also picking up my dress. I did take it right to get fitted. So there is still a considerable amount of time until I actually have it in my little grubby hands, but it was just so nice to get to go and try it on again in my size, and it was just an exciting moment. I just felt so excited and happy, and I wish that I could show you the little video that my mom made of me coming out of the dressing room, but I'm supposed to keep my dress a secret, which part of me kind of enjoys the silly traditions, but another part of me is like, this is very hard to vlog about, like, why do we still do this? Anyway, not the point. What was your magic moment from April? I'm listening. I love when we share all of our happy moments in the comments. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you back. I put out new videos every week, and also hit the bell for notifications because that helps. Also, you can find me on social media. It's LeighAnnSays everywhere, and I love talking to you over there. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone. The cameras have turned on me. The cameras of the world are no longer on my side. I don't know what I'm doing. I need a camera fairy godmother, but I don't think those exist. Please let me know if I get lipstick on my teeth. I'm very paranoid about it, so I'm gonna be very mad at you if you don't tell me.